Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Nick.
And my name is Francie. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Seniors, pre-sale for your senior shirts will begin today and will last until Friday. Senior shirts will be sold in the cafeteria for all 3 lunches.
The price for senior shirts is $10 cash only.
A very important message for students that drive to school. The deadline to purchase your parking pass is September 29th. This is this Friday. After that date, all students parking on campus without a parking pass will receive a ticket and a discipline referral.
To purchase your parking pass, please bring your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, and $20 to Miss Santiago in the Dean's office anytime after first period.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!